This video is brought to you by Hasa, providing products that deliver clean, healthy water for every aspect of everyday life. The bottom feeder, battery-powered vacuum system, because it sucks to clean pools, so cleaning pools sucks less. And by Skimmer. Skimmer software is trusted by over 30,000 pool service pros across North America. In this video, I'm going to show you the H2flow Nautis VSF pump. And this is the first adaptive VSF pump on the market. What this means is that most variable speed pumps run off of RPM or percentages, but the Nautis VSF actually measures water flow and adjusts the motor speed automatically. So this pump uses the H2flow's EcoFlow technology to maintain a target flow rate instead of a fixed speed. And a practical example of this is as the pool filter gets dirty, most pool pumps will actually lose flow. But with the Nautis VSF, it'll actually increase the speed to maintain the desired flow rate. Again, it doesn't run off a set RPM, but it actually measures the flow rate and adjusts the pump to match that. So you're going to get the maximum energy savings using this pump. And the Nautis VSF is designed to be a drop-in replacement for the Pentair Whisper Flow, the Pentair Super Flow, and the Hayward Super Pump. And for the Pentair Whisper Flow or H2flow, it comes with this base here to raise the pump up so the inlet matches. And the fact that the inlet lines up to these popular pumps makes it really easy to install. And it features this unique pump lid with these built-in handles. On top of the lid is this LED light. In case you need to service the pump at night, it has this built-in light. And it has a good sized pump basket. And on the back is a control panel. And you can see that H2flow uses the Nidec VS pump. And it actually comes in 4 different total horsepower configurations. This one here is a 2.7 total horsepower. You also have a 1.65 total horsepower, a 2.25 total horsepower, and a 3.45 total horsepower. And included is the operation manual, and this pump comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty. And the Nautis VSF pump is manufactured and assembled in the USA. Once you have the pump installed and powered on, you just simply switch the control to remote. Then you want to wire in the controller, and this will connect to the BlueSync app. The BlueSync app is actually really easy to connect the pump to. It took about 2 minutes for me to log on to the app and then connect the pump, and for it to discover it and connect it to my Wi-Fi, all again within a matter of 2 minutes. And then inside the app you can set it for a certain RPM and it will continuously keep it at that RPM, or you can set it for gallons per minute and the pump will maintain an RPM for the set gallons per minute, and it'll adjust it down to the exact gallons per minute using the flow meter on top. So what you're getting is a well-manufactured variable speed pump with the adaptive flow technology, making this one of the most energy efficient pumps on the market today. Make sure to support the sponsors of this YouTube video, Skimmer, the Bottom Feeder, and Hasa. They make this content possible.